Welcome to another snowy edition of the BullHorn. Who needs Davos? We've got the snow in New York. And yes, like Molly Ringwald, I am in fact pretty in pink today. Howard Lindzen here in New York, also looking very snappy. I'm glad you dressed up for us. I'm obviously not feeling a need
This is my slim coat, Wall Street 2. Wall Street 2.
Very good. Good to hear. So let's talk about something that we're not actually seeing in New York this morning, the sun. Solar energy stocks are having a very nice run as of late. Do you think there's any validity to the fact that with the State of the Union tonight, people are hopeful for more talk from President Obama about the need for alternate energy?
Well, I just think for the economy in general, if solar goes up, it's just good because cost of energy would drop.
Right.
And there could be a resumption of bull market and everything. I'm always pessimistic when it comes to this because of how embedded oil is into our system.
It's true, definitely.
So First Solar is a leader. They're out of Phoenix.
Right.
A long company, profitable. They've been around a long time. And great management team. But even them, even though we're talking about the solar stocks running, the stock's been in a trading range for 3 years.
Right.
Volatile stock, not for the average investor.
No. And what about the global demand? I know that there are some Chinese solar companies trading in the U.S. I think JASO is one of the more prominent ones. Is that something that investors, the investors that have that risk appetite should be considering? Because, the combination of alternate energy and the world's biggest market could be incredibly lucrative.
And the innovation will come out of China with their pollution problems and with their coal issues and with their energy issues. They're doing deals with Russia.
Right.
They're doing deals with Africa. So yes, look to China for the lead. But what always worries me, and I say this on the show, is this. I look for companies in America that would be doing, as much as we joke about American companies and the Fed and the government, I still rather invest in American companies doing business overseas.
Right.
Just that relative level of trust is still worth more to me than buying speculative stocks over in China.
Right. No, good point. So before we wrap up, a company not in the solar energy sector per se, but one you've pointed out on StockTwits and others as well, iRobot. Talk about the future is here now. Granted, it's just cleaning your room as opposed to making your dinner, but what's up with that stock? I remember when it went public and it was kind of a joke, and it's, at a 3-year high now?
Yeah, it's a 3-year high, and basically going to be an all-time high. IRBT. I've been shaken out of this stock a few times. I think it's in a massive uptrend because it's mixing consumer robotics with military robotics. You've got the Roomba, which you can see at Best Buy, Walmart, etc. Who knows if it works? It makes me dizzy personally. And I don't trust, we're not there at the Jetsons yet.
Right.
But on the military side, the military application for their hardcore technology is creeping up. Unmanned, robotics to go fight our wars. So they really got this military business, which is more recession-proof, and then they've got this consumer business. And I think while all eyes have always focused on the consumer side of the business, the military business is their business.
So to wrap up very quickly, Super Bowl, Steelers, Packers, supposedly, if you believe in the silly Super Bowl indicator, either one, winning the Super Bowl, should be good for the markets. Any thoughts, or is this just a dumb little, albeit fun indicator that people in the press sometimes make too much of?
I think Green Bay, 27-year-old quarterback, is going to be tough to beat. He seems to be the one that has the cleanest criminal record. And so that
Which
we're
is
going
no criminal record.
Based on the criminal
Yes.
indicator, we like Aaron Rodgers in Green Bay in America.
You've heard it here first. The StockTwits is predicting a Packers victory in the Super Bowl. Thank you very much, Howard, and we'll do this again on Friday when you're back in a sunny and snow-free West Coast, I hope.
Thank you, CNN. Thank you, Paul.
Thank you.